Bon matin! Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie. Welcome to a study vlog. Yes, another weekend study vlog for the girl. Today we are Saturday, September 25th. It's currently 9:11. Oh my god. For 2 hours, I'm gonna do some research for the case study of the week. It's like a mini exam, a test, if you will, Monday. So I'm just gonna make sure I study for that and for an hour. They're just making sure you did your readings and like, it's not anything you have to be like really studying hard for, but then we have lunch. I'm gonna do some additional research on my case study. I'm gonna do some reading. I have one reading left for the week. So I'm gonna do that reading and then I'm gonna try to do the reading notes as well. I have an assignment where I have to analyze a situation where I maybe didn't act the way I should have acted, and like, then I'm gonna plan some content video, and I have a video that's uploaded on YouTube. I just need to give it a title, a bio, and a thumbnail. So I'm gonna do that tonight. Oh my god, y'all, tomorrow I literally have my first driving class. Let's not think about it, shall we? So right now I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna time lapse this for you and we're gonna do our best, babes.
Really bitchy.
Oh my god, I will cry. I am so surprised by how good of a mood I'm in today, given that I was in the shittiest mood the whole week. Like, I was literally mad at everything this whole week. It was the worst. But today I'm actually feeling really good and I'm feeling myself, you know? We did what we had to do this morning. I'm gonna have lunch and then we're gonna, I'm currently curating a video where I basically categorize every single perfume I own, including little sample sizes, because I want to establish what's my perfume profile, like what notes do I prefer and everything. I might make a video on that. I don't know, I guess we'll see. It's gonna take probably a month because I have like way more than 30 and I need to wear like once a day, but okay. Today's candle is Bad and Boozy by Forever Mood. Why do I look so bad? I look a little better. Not that much, but a little better. Lunch, let's go. Yeah, pimple cream, just, ignore her. We have our last big block of doing schoolwork. And so I'm pretty much gonna time lapse it all. I'm just gonna do still a lot of readings, writing some research down, and that's basically it. I'll see you after we come out of this. I'm really excited because then I'm gonna be done. We're done reading. I didn't get to do the reading note because, okay, my teachers are clinically insane. I'm not saying this lightly, I'm saying this very seriously. They have a little control problem where they feel the need to control every single thing. You know how in classes you will have mandatory readings? They use a certain website where you have to, like, it tracks the time you spent reading. You have to annotate it. You have to give 5 annotations, and like everyone is annotating the same document. And I'm not even gonna go in depth about why that is so. It's giving kindergarten. Like, we are grown adults. If we don't do the mandatory readings, that's our fault. Like, there are so many problems I have with that, but like, that's on them. That they choose how they teach their classes. I sure as hell am gonna complain about it, but whatever. It was such a boring reading. Like, I've done some readings and I was like, oh, that is so interesting. This one I absolutely hated. I despised it. Today seems to be going by really, really fast. It's currently 5 p.m. It's 5 p.m. Can you believe this? Like, it seems to be going at like the fastest rate ever. Because the reading was really boring, all I could think about was how much I wanted to go to a ball. I don't know if that's how you say it in English, but like you know how Cinderella, she went to like the ball and she lost her shoe at the ball at the castle. Like I want to go to one of those. Like I want to wear a freaking princess dress. I want to look like a princess and go, and that would make me so happy. I need to find a way to make that happen. Okay. I continued working on one assignment that I had to do. I planned my content for this following week. I didn't edit, I was done editing. I prepared my video so that I could go up tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. and I finished early. So now I'm gonna transfer the files from today's vlog onto my hard drive. I'll see you. Good morning, darlings. It is me, your host, Coco. I just cleaned my room. My floors are still wet, so that's why I'm like sitting on my bed, kind of like, it's like the floor is lava kind of situation, but it's essentially just drying. I'm gonna wait for it to dry before I step on it with my dirty little feet. I'm gonna finalize my freaking research. I'm literally almost done. Like I'm pretty sure everything is complete. Then I'm gonna start writing my report. Then we're gonna have lunch. Then I'm gonna not finish, but I'm gonna try to like get somewhere with my report. Then I have my driving class. There's a lot of time around the driving class because I already have a feeling that after that I'm going to be mentally exhausted from like driving. And then I'm gonna be working on a secret tonight. Yes, there's something secret coming up. Hopefully I don't do this every time I have a driving class because that's not sustainable in any way, shape, or form. Before I get started onto my readings and research and all of that, I just want to say I've been reading this book for like 4 weeks, for a month, because like, okay, during the summer, I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm like a quick reader. I read things really quick when I actually like them. There's also that factor that we have to consider. Unfortunately, because of school, I've been reading articles literally day in and day out. By the way, if you're not in uni yet and you're about to go into uni, let me tell you something. Half of what you're going to do is read. You're going to read literature that was written about what you're studying, and that's something you're gonna do a lot of. Like, I kid you not, I probably read around 20 hours a week, articles and things like that. And so getting to read things that I want to read is really, it's really fun. And so this is Deadly Dreams by KJ Sutton. First one is Fortuna Sworn. The second one is Restless Slumber. And this one is Deadly Dreams. It's a fantasy series and I really like it. What I love is, I love when authors do this. Like, this is the first book, this is the third book. Like, they significantly get bigger. And I'm probably like, I'm 3/4 into that one. And so I'm kind of like almost done. Apparently there's a new one coming out in like December of this year, which is very exciting. I just wanted to share. I really like books, and I feel like because of uni, I haven't been able to read as much as I want to, but I'm trying. I'm already tired of today. I hate this. I hate this so much. I cannot focus at all whatsoever. I hate this. Oh my God, I hate this. How many times can I repeat that? It was not fun. This whole morning, not fun. Like, after I cleaned my room, it only went downhill. I'm back to my like mood of the week where everything just made me upset. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat right now, and hopefully eating will put me in a better mood. Thankfully, we don't have much that we're gonna do today. I only have one actual thing I have to do and focus, and that might be annoying for the rest of the day. So hopefully, you know, I can get all my angry energy out today so that for the week I can be like nice. And I don't don't know. I just had my first driving class of existence, okay? It was fine. Like, I feel like it was definitely not as bad as I thought. Literally, I tried to fake it till I made it in his presence. He was like, okay, we're gonna go now. And I was like, okay, let's go. You know what I mean? Instead of being like, what you mean we're gonna go? He had me like back up, and I was just like, what the fuck? I understand that with practice I'm gonna get better, but it's just like, you know, like it's hard. It's really hard. Before it becomes easy, you have to adjust in practice, and I feel like that's kind of what I'm missing. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm missing. I just need to adjust. I just need to get better at it, and I know I'm gonna get better. Wise words from my mom, so from my friends. Coralie, stupider people have driven before. You can clearly track. I think I might vlog tomorrow because we're not doing a whole lot of vlogging today. And because I'm working on something secret, I'm not gonna vlog tonight. See y'all tomorrow. Hello darlings, good morning. Today we're Monday the 27th and of September. We're still September, yes, even though this is going to get uploaded in October. Okay, this morning I have to finish this goddamn report. I do, you guys. It's so bad. Like, I have to finish this report. Then I kind of have to just prep a little for my exam. I already did the studying, the self-learning modules and everything, but I have like a mini test this afternoon from like 1 to 2:30, which, by the way, the teachers were like, babes, it's supposed to take you 30 minutes, not an hour and 30 minutes, but they like had to put it. I just want to review some concepts so I can make sure that I am sharp for the exam. Then I'm gonna do some cooking. I haven't cooked in so long, like literally so long. Then I have a break. Then I'm gonna finish my godforsaken report, and then I'm gonna edit a video and content plan. Well, edit a video is this one I'm filming right now, so you know we love video inception. Do you see the shade it is? Isn't it so pretty? Look at all my fingerprints. Jesus. But doesn't it look really nice? I think it looks really nice. Oh my god, I cannot believe I have to write this. I know we do a lot of candle of the day. Let's do perfume of the day. This is the Paco Rabanne Olympia. This is the Eau de Parfum Intense. I feel like I just spoke French for a while. With that being said, let's write this goddamn report. Okay, I look kind of good. Damn. I'm almost done with my report. I'm gonna do a little bit of exam prep. You guys know I do not film myself studying because I look insane. Like, people are like, you can't look that insane. If you guys have a lot of feelings to express, don't necessarily like journaling that much, but want to express those feelings, a voice recording and audio recording, that goes such a long way. I'm such an audio recording person because I don't like writing, like physically writing. And so every time I have like a lot of things to say, a lot of feelings to express, I take this phone and I record it, and I'm like, okay, my thoughts are someplace. Even if I end up deleting it, no matter what, my thoughts are someplace. And sometimes, like when I'm in a down mood, I'll listen to an audio when I was really up mood, and I'm like, oh my god, I was so excited about so many things in that audio, so I need to like be excited. So I'm just saying, this is one of my tricks. If you guys have tricks, feel free to share in the comments, but there's always a trick. Oh my god, babes, ignore her. Okay, there are some pants I have to tailor, and I have like a 20-minute window right now that I can use to tailor them, so I'm going to tailor them. I literally haven't sewn something in such a long time. I'm actually planning on sewing like a really cute top. I just need to find patterns because there's kind of like draping involved, and I just don't know if I'm willing to do that. But yeah. Okay, I had to shorten them because I don't know if these pants were made for tall girls. These are from Boohoo. I'm gonna link them down below. I consider myself to be like a very average height, and these were like 3 inches too tall, which is good for the tall girls, right? It's easier to like take in something than add on fabric, but the waist is also a little off, so I think I'm gonna do that right now. Let's time lapse. Listen, Listen, there's a little bit of space for like eating. I have to press the seams so that they lay flat, because right now they are not laying very flat. But as soon as I iron them out, all is good, all is done. I'm really happy. Okay, it's like staying and I love it. I really like these pants. I'm so excited to wear them on an Instagram picture. But we did this in like less than 10 minutes, so I don't know about y'all, but I feel like that's a win. Ladies and gentle ladies, girl, I don't know. It was actually really easy. I really liked doing that cooking because I don't get a lot of time to cook. Personally, I'm a really slow person in everything that I do. I'm very slow, and so cooking is no stranger to that. And so cooking takes me like ages and ages. I love cooking. Honestly, I adore cooking, and I think it's fun. I'm really excited to eat in like an hour. Right now, because I finished early, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos because my test went pretty well and my cooking went well, and I even made a gluten-free version for my mommy because I'm great. Okay, I'm gonna edit the video now, so I guess this is the end. Sorry, I'm in full bonnet. That's how you know that I'm in my bed and it's time for me to never leave this place ever again. We did everything we had to do so far. I still have to edit this video and do some content planning later, but I'm not gonna film that because I'm trying to get my things done. I just handed in my report. It's looking pretty excellent, if I may. And yeah, so this was the vlog, guys. I don't know if you guys enjoyed the 3 days more than you usually do the 2 days. If you guys want me to do weekly vlogs, I could do weekly vlogs. I will of course cut more. You know, I will obviously not show you every single thing that I do because that would be way too much. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things you'd like to see me do. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, baby. We love newcomers, okay? I put out student lifestyle, beauty, sometimes fashion if you're like kind of lucky, but like not really, but like kind of sometimes. And I have a lot of hobbies, a lot of things I like doing, and so I try to share them with all of you. If you breathe, you need to subscribe, and that's that. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.